Hello students, this video on synthetic fibers and plastic part 2. So when it comes in plastics, that is being used in day-to-day life. So let's say a pen, a marker or a scale, all these are derived from plastic. When you have chair which you sit or the ropes that you use, that all these are derived from plastic. These are available in various size and shapes, or it can be molded as per we want the shape required, and then they can be recycled. I can melt and reuse this, then I can color this, I can melt this, and that can be rolled in sheets or wires. Now these are the properties of plastics. The next one is, there are two types of plastics are there, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. So that is very important. There are two types of plastics are there, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. Then so thermoplastic, let's say the plastic of basket or marker, when it press it or melt it, it reshaped into another form. I can make round to a flatter surface. That's why we call as thermoplastic. Then now thermoplastic is basically used for the manufacturing of combs, scales and toys, etc. Then this good examples of thermoplastics are polythene and PVC. So the other this one is very important. The examples for thermoplastics are polythene and PVC. Then the other plastic is thermosetting plastic. So now as the name suggests, it is very setting. Now once it is melted to set, if I reheat it, shape would not change. It wouldn't be softened by heating. So these examples are bakelite and melamine. So if we are discussing on the types of or examples for thermosetting plastic, there are two examples are there. One is bakelite and the another one is melamine. So the two types of thermosetting plastics, bakelite and melamine. Bakelite basically is a poor conductor of heat and electricity, and bakelite is used in switches and handles of utensils. Then so all these places we use bakelite. Okay. Then the next one is melamine. So this melamine is very versatile and fire resist. So it is used in flooring of tiles, and then it is used in fabrics that are used in resist to fire. And in fire extinguisher we use melamine. So this melamine we are using floor of tiles and fabrics, then resist to fire, that is in fire extinguisher. Okay. Then so melamine and bakelite are thermosetting plastics, and PVC and polythene are thermoplastics. So that is very important. Then the next one is, what are the benefits of plastics? So now what are the benefits of plastics? Now we can say that they are lightweight, they are easy to use, they have good tensile strength, they are much more cheaper, they are non-reactive and durable, so they can last for very long. It's widely used in industries and household products. Similarly, the plastic is poor conductor of electricity and heat, and therefore using covering the electricity wire. So we know that plastics are poor conductor of electricity. That's why we are using the covering the electrical wire by plastics. Okay. So in cookware and microwave oven we use plastic that is poor conductor of heat. Okay. Then we have one important plastic, that is Teflon. So Teflon is basically non-stick cooking utensils that is made from Teflon. This plastic which oil and water do not stick on it. So similarly we have fireproof plastics which is being used whether firemen and the various industries in the fire extinguishers. So they are mainly made up of melamine, we talked before. So these are about the plastics. So the important things are two types of plastics are there, thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics. For thermoplastics, their examples are PVC and polythene, and thermosetting plastics examples are melamine and bakelite.